Not all one-to-one resins are the same. Understanding thickness is the simple secret to choosing the right formula. When you match the resin to the project, everything just clicks into place. The main difference is viscosity. Craft Resin Tabletop is a high viscosity coating resin. It's thick, it moves slowly, and it stays exactly where you put it. This formula is engineered to sit on a surface and dome perfectly at that 3mm mark. Trying to make fluid art with it is like painting with cold honey. It's possible, but it's not going to be pretty. It just won't move gracefully. On the flip side, our art and craft resin is much thinner and more fluid. It flows into corners and releases bubbles quickly. Using this thin resin to coat a board is like frosting a cake with syrup. It just slides off the edges and refuses to build any thickness. Gravity wins every time. You have to pick the right tool for the job. Use Tabletop for high glossy coats on serving boards, trays and countertops. It's built for high impact durability and stays crystal clear even on surfaces that get a lot of use. On the other hand, choose art and craft resin for moulds, coasters and pigment blending. Its thin consistency lets colours move and mix beautifully. Coating a tumbler like this is easy if you pick the right resin thickness. If your finish is sliding or looks uneven, the formula is likely the cause. It all comes down to how well the resin grips the surface. Thin art and craft resins are made to flow. On a spinning cup, they stay too active. The resin creeps downwards and gathers in drips at the edge. This often leaves the top of your tumbler bare. Thin resin also causes major fisheye issues. A tiny speck of dust or a fingerprint creates a hole in the finish. The resin is simply too light. It pulls away from the surface instead of covering it. This is where tabletop resin works best. It is a thick formula similar to warm honey. It clings to the surface and spreads slowly while the tumbler spins. The resin doesn't fight gravity, it works with it. Teamwork. The thickness allows it to fill small flaws instead of highlighting them. Tabletop also includes strong UV stabilisers to keep your custom cups clear for a long time. It locks on to the entire piece for a smooth mirror-like layer. Use Tabletop for tumblers to avoid drips and bare spots. It's the most direct path to a professional result. Clean, smooth, job done. You can use art and craft resin instead of Tabletop, but only for specific projects. The choice depends entirely on one big difference: thickness. Understanding how each formula moves will save your next pour. Art and craft resin is naturally thin. It flows well and fills small details quickly. This is perfect for ocean waves, jewellery or coasters. Colours glide and blend easily in this fluid formula. But this resin refuses to stay in one place. If you use it to coat a serving board or a tumbler, it will simply drift away. It drips off the edges and leaves the surface uneven. It's not built to hold its shape or build thickness. It's doing what it was designed to do. Tabletop resin is thick on purpose. Think of it like warm honey. This professional grade formula is heat resistant up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit and stays exactly where you pour it. That thickness allows it to build a smooth 3mm coat and cling to vertical sides. It's specifically engineered for high impact durability on surfaces like counters and trays. Arts and crafts, on the other hand, is about motion and fine detail, whereas Tabletop is about structure and protection. When you match the resin to the job, the material stops fighting you and the finish gets way easier. So you'll want to use arts and craft resin for blending and Tabletop for coating. Using the right tool is the fastest way to get a flawless finish. If this cleared up any confusion for you, let me know in the comments and send this to a friend who is still using the wrong resin for their top coats. Thanks so much for watching.